What happens if you stop drinking water for a week? Our body is made up of 70% of water. An average person drinks about 264 gallons of water a year. Each day we lose 2 to 3 liters of water through sweat, urine and bowel movements. Even breathing uses water from our body. It is essential to maintain a balanced water level by drinking enough throughout the day. So, why is water important for human body? Well, it transfers essential substances and nutrients to different parts of our body. It allows the body to absorb and assimilate minerals, vitamins, amino acids, glucose and other substances. It acts as lubricant for joints and muscles. It flushes out toxins and waste and regulate body temperature. A normal cardiovascular function is impossible if you don't have enough water in your body. People take this liquid for granted and perhaps never think what would happen if they stopped drinking it. Well, let's see what dire consequences this action would have. Well, water includes other liquids such as soda, juices, tea, and old plain soup. However, these options are perceived by your body mostly like food. If the level of water in your body drops by 1%, your survival instinct will kick in, and you will start to feel thirsty. Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know, and be sure to like the video and subscribe to channel. How much water you need to drink a day depends on factors such as your geographic location, your age, your body fat and your gender. Men roughly need between 2.5 and 3.7 liters of water a day, while women need 2 to 2.7 liters. If you don't drink enough water, the outcome is usually very bad. So, what will happen to your body if you stop drinking water at all? Well, first of all, your urine will become dark. When your body is low on water, your brain sends signals to your kidneys to send more water to your blood, rather than flushing it out in the urine. When your blood holds on to the water, it causes your urine to turn a dark yellow with a strong odor. That's your body's way of conserving fluids. You may have trouble in swallowing due to lack of water, and also stop peeing at all. Your brain will start to shrink. When you don't drink enough water, your energy drops and your mood becomes more irritable. A dehydrated brain actually works much harder to achieve simple tasks than when you are well hydrated. It even temporarily shrinks if you don't drink water. As water is meant to lubricate the areas between the bones for easy movement and comfortable sleeping. If you don't drink water, your joints begin to hurt and your bones grind against each other. You feel hungry when you don't drink water, even if you've eaten recently. You are more likely to overeat when you don't drink water. It's very common to confuse dehydration with hunger. You will suffer from headaches if you don't drink enough water. Your eyes will also hurt since they've become dry, because it takes your brain more than double the effort to get anything done. Your energy level will drop significantly, you will start to lose focus easily, and mainly you will become much more irritable. You will have great problem with bathroom schedule. As soon as you realize that water is missing, your body will absorb more, which will make next to impossible to get rid of waste. The blood won't get to skin, and you may grayish blue, you may faint or even have a stroke. After a period of 3 to 5 days, depending on such factors as your age, weight and health condition, the organ of your body will start to shut down. This may lead to death after the brain stops functioning. Sounds terrifying, doesn't it? That's why it's extremely important to notice the signs of dehydration on time and do everything to avoid such a condition. So, pay attention to your water balance. If your mouth becomes dry and it's hard to swallow, the color of urine turns darker than usual. You gain weight despite your regular visits to the gym, meaning that your metabolic rate is lowered, you feel feverish, your heart rate is elevated. You feel dizzy and suffer from repetitive headaches, your skin loses its elasticity and turns red, you feel constantly tired and can't concentrate. Each of the symptoms is worrying enough. You might be suffering from dehydration. You should immediately increase water intake, however you should do this correctly. How much water you need to drink a day depends on factors such as your geographic location, your age, your body fat and your gender. Men roughly need between 2.5 and 3.7 liters of water a day, while women need 2 to 2.7 liters. If you don't drink enough water, the outcome is usually very bad. Drink 1 glass of water in the morning when you get up. It will jumpstart your metabolism and hydrate you after the night when you didn't drink any liquid. If you stay in the office during the day, put water on the table and take a sip now and then. If your job is connected with moving around, remember to put your water bottle in your backpack. Take your water bottle wherever you go. Drink more water if you go to gym. Use an app that tracks your water intake. Such app can be easily programmed to remind you to drink more water. If water is unavailable, you can try other sources of hydration such as juice, coffee, tea, soups or fruits. It may seem surprising, but more than 20% of your daily intake of water comes from food. Try to eat more celery, watermelon, and cucumbers to support your water balance. How much water do you drink a day? Tell us in the comment below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.